These are the images that I generated with the help of a new AI model called as Recraft. And it not only generates images, but it's also so good in displaying text on a particular image. For example, this protesting poster, as well as this coffee shop poster and the quotes on it, everything is generated by this model, and it is super hyper realistic. So the name of this tool is called as Recraft AI, and they have launched a model called as Recraft V3. And as they have said in their Twitter, it beats Midjourney and OpenAI and other models in the quality in text generation. And apart from this, the cool feature with this is that it can generate text on images without limits. Here you can see they have said that, and it's quite good in replicating the exact thing that we want into the image. So now let's try generating some images. So for doing this, you need to just search for Recraft AI, and you'll be getting the first link. You need to just sign in with your mail. Click on create new project, and by default you'll be getting 50 credits, and that will be renewed in 24 hours. And I guess for each image generation it takes 2 credits. So here we'll be having this image option. Just click it and make sure that you are changing this model, which is going to be Recraft V3 raw. In case if you're looking for some other things, you can also choose that. Basically it's so developer, like a photo graphic designer developer friendly model. So you can just go with Recraft V3 because that's the name of the model that they have given over here. So once you select this, you need to just click on apply for this, and this is where we will be putting our prompt. We can change the height and width and other stuff like this, the ratio, height and width. You can totally play around with that. So I have some prompts already generated from ChatGPT. So just copy this, put it here, and click on Recraft. And these are the images that I get. This looks super realistic, especially the part where the water is flashing. This looks super realistic, and the reflection of the water, yeah, that looks so good. And next let's go with the poster for a burger shop. So I'll just copy this thing and put it over here. Click on Recraft. This basically has some information like the contact number, the location, as well as I'm also specifying to have a black border to the poster. So let's see what it can generate from this. So this is what I get. This looks cool, to be honest. Yeah, it's kind of giving the border, but look at the number over here. Okay, it has missed a 1, but this looks super cool. The numbers are kind of bad. I've given here 456, but it's given here 466, but that doesn't matter. This still looks really good over here. And the picture, this looks so hyper realistic. The burger image looks so hyper realistic. Yeah, so in case you want to do a quick poster, this just does the job in 15 seconds. So it's super good for something that can be done in 15 seconds. Yeah, so in case you want to save it, you can just right click it, and you need to click on export as PNG or JPG. Choose PNG, and it will get automatically downloaded. So this is Recraft V3 model, and please let me know in the comment if this is better or not when compared to FLUX. I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.